News coming in as far as the self-styled Baba who has molestation charges against him is concerned. The investigation is underway. He has demanded facilities in jail is what we're learning. The court is set to hear this petition on the Baba's jail facilities today. The Delhi self-styled godman has been sent to 14-day judicial custody. Remember, he was arrested earlier. My colleague Anushka joins us with more details. Anushka, take us through these details. We're learning that the Baba has now asked for some facilities in jail. If you could take us through the details of that.
That's right. Chetananand Saraswati, who's the self-styled godman, is also accused of molesting multiple girls who were staying at the institute where he was the director for the past 12 years, has been sent to a 14 days judicial custody. Now the investigation is continuing. Several of the evidences have been found against him that supports the claims of the girls that had in fact recorded their statements at the Patiala House Court. Multiple girls had alleged that they had suffered harassment at the hands of Chetananand Saraswati while he was the director. He used to make lewd comments and obscene messages to the girls, and used to tell them that he wants to take them abroad, and also to make them meet a sheikh who lives in Dubai. Also morphed photographs of him with Barack Obama, Narendra Modi, and several other people have been found inside his residence. Not just that, 3 of his female colleagues have been arrested because of how they used to pressurize and abet students into complying with the demands that were made by Chetananand Saraswati. Now we are seeing that he has made demands of special arrangements inside the jail, so that inside the custody also that he should be provided all those things that is fit for a monk to in fact stay inside the jail. We are also seeing that the police is continuing its investigation and also trying to find out as to how for such a long time he was able to do all those things. He used to keep monitoring what the girls were doing. The targeted students were in fact also sent to a separate room so that they could be demanded anything that the Baba desires. 3 of the female wardens were supporting all and everything that the Baba was doing while he was there. They used to collect girls and take them to the room of the Chetananand Saraswati, and after that they used to in fact also tell him that if they do not agree to what he is saying, the marks would be cut and they would be failed in the examinations. And now we are seeing that he is inside judicial custody. The police is interrogating him further about how he used to in fact do all these things, who are the ones who are supporting him, and why was he doing such a thing when all those students were in fact left in his care, and he was supposed to look after the operations and the management of the institute. Over to you.